A modern restaurant kitchen is a manufacturing plant operating at 100 times the normal speed. It is a high-stakes data processing environment where survival is measured in seconds. But the systems supposed to manage this speed often choke it. Legacy point-of-sale setups trap your critical operational data inside expensive, proprietary hardware terminals. In a standard network topology, point-of-sale data hits a wall. The kitchen and back-office nodes remain grayed out. During dinner rushes, this disconnection blinds managers. They cannot see profit margins dropping and receive no warning when critical ingredients run out. To solve this, you have to move the core logic off the physical register and into the cloud. By turning any tablet or computer into a portal for this same shared data, a restaurant can add new terminals without installing new server infrastructure. This software-first approach is RestOS. Removing those physical hardware constraints is the prerequisite to syncing operations across the floor and stopping the hidden inefficiencies that drain profit. The front of house is the primary data intake valve for the entire business. RestOS handles this by running entirely in the cloud, operating on any off-the-shelf tablet, iPad, or standard computer you already own. This side-by-side view shows the hybrid point-of-sale engine. With a single tap, the interface toggles between a staff-operated cashier dashboard on the left and a visually driven, customer-facing self-service kiosk on the right. Both modes are built for high-volume service. Cashiers get rapid name entry and instant payment flows, while the self-service kiosk operates on a 5-second auto-reset loop, keeping the screen ready for the next person in line. For seated guests, QR table ordering removes the need for a physical line. Guests scan a code to open a mobile menu on their phones, with no app download or logging required. The routing logic is immediate. The moment a customer confirms their meal, the order routes directly to the kitchen, pre-tagged with their exact table number. By digitizing the front of house, you shift the work of data entry from your staff to the customer, which effectively eliminates order latency. That data lands in the kitchen instantly. Cooks receive precise instructions the second the customer pays, which removes the need for human relays or paper tickets. The hub of this operation is the Kitchen Display System, or KDS. It acts as a digital routing engine, organizing complex dynamic menus and deep modifier customizations. Looking at the ticketing board, the KDS sorts the flow. Order blocks form color-coded streams, separating dine-in from takeout with table numbers. The system tracks every ticket through a two-stage life cycle, monitoring movement from preparing to ready once cleared. Once the food is ready, the customer's status TV handles the handoff. This screen bridges the gap between the kitchen and the dining room. The split-screen display automatically moves the order number from preparing to please collect, pulsing to signal the customer. This automated feedback loop tells customers exactly when to approach the counter, which reduces the physical congestion that slows down a busy dining room. In the back office, the Pro tier handles foundational compliance. It generates automated tax calculations, runs staff discount engines, and formats dynamic thermal receipts. At the close of business, the end-of-day process is reduced to a one-click Z report, providing exact cash versus card reconciliation in seconds. For larger operations, the Ultimate tier adds a layer of precision. For $199 a month, it tracks the cost of every individual raw ingredient used in every dish. This bill of materials concept mathematically tethers items to ingredients. A hamburger is tracked as a bun and patty, each with a dollar value. The live vault automatically deducts these upon order, triggering low stock alerts and instantly calculating precise gross profit margins. Moving from estimated inventory to recipe-based tracking is the difference between guessing at your monthly profit and knowing it to the penny. A restaurant running on RestOS is a fully synced ecosystem. Every department sees the same data at the same time. Speed, operational flow, and profit tracking are unified under a single cloud architecture, and that architecture is expanding. As shown in this visualization of locking data nodes, the product roadmap includes direct integration with Apple Wallet and WhatsApp for a digital loyalty program. Adding this loyalty layer means turning your operational efficiency into long-term customer retention. It is time to leave legacy hardware behind. Click the link in the description to book a live demo or start a free trial of RestOS today.